Check this out. In the electric Silverado, you can fold this seat up and then bring this part of the seat down. That way you can press this button to open this door and extend this part of your truck bed and fit some very long items like this kayak. Or you can remove the glass window, place it down here, just like that. That way you can bring down this entire wall to give you one large opening, which means you can fit a full 4x8 sheet of plywood with the tailgate closed, where a Cybertruck, F-150 Lightning, and Rivian can only fit this much. Now, when you do open up your tailgate and bring up this load stop, you can fit items that are up to 10 feet, 10 inches long. You can even bring down just this portion to use as a workbench, lift it up to have a higher load stop. But the most useful feature is opening it up like this, so you can use this as a step. You get optional kicker speakers down here, and you can bring up this handle to make it super easy to get inside. And because it's fully electric, you get 4 120-volt outlets and 1 240-volt outlet for up to 11 outlets within the vehicle, so you can power things like a campsite, charge another electric vehicle if it's stuck on the side of the road, and even power your house for up to 5 days completely off the grid in the event of a power outage, which is actually pretty useful.